how to create a Minecraft account which you can use on the PS5. So the easiest way is going to be by taking your phone and then opening up the browser, then searching for Minecraft create account right here, and you will just click on sign in or sign up. Once you select that, you will go and select sign up here, and you will need to have a Minecraft account a Microsoft account in order to play Minecraft. So I'm just gonna click on sign up again, accept. Okay, so now it's going to ask for your country and also your date of birth, so I'm just going to put that real quick, and we want to press on next. Next, you will have to add your email address, so you will just type your email address in this field, and once you type your email address, then you will need to set a password for your account. After you type out your password as well, then you will have a Microsoft account here, which you can then use to play on the PS5, and you will just open up the game here. I'm gonna open up the trial, and once you open up Minecraft, then it's going to ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. And if they're linked to your PlayStation account, then it's going to be automatic and it's going to let you play directly here. As you can see, it is already connected to my stuff here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.